Hello future WordPress bloggers, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. In today's WordPress lesson, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress by using CPanel app installer quickly and easily. Okay, now once you've logged in to CPanel dashboard, scroll down, it may be under the software section here, and look for either Softaculous, Quick Install, or Fantastico. So let's click on Softaculous app installer. Let's look for blogs. It can also be displayed here, the WordPress. So if you click on blogs, you can also see WordPress right here. If you click on it, it goes into this screen giving you more details about WordPress. Click on install now, and now you can select where you want to install the WordPress. So here is your domain name. Mine is howtowebmaster.com. And where do you want to install WordPress? So you delete this, it will install WordPress directly onto your root folder, so that when people go to howtowebmaster.com, it will show up your WordPress site. If you add in a name here, I'm going to call it test blog. So when people go to howtowebmaster.com/test blog, it'll show up the WordPress site. Okay, next you choose your site name and site description, and then simply create a username and password, and make sure to add in your administrator email. And then down here you can choose your language, and then select these optional plugin, and then click on install when you're ready. And it'll take a few seconds for it to completely install, and here it is. Congratulations, the software was installed successfully. Now we can view our test blog right here, and also you can log into your WP admin where you can manage your blog, add new posts and things like that. Be sure to check out my complete WordPress tutorial playlist on how to use WordPress, SEO, and more tips and tricks. Okay, I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, happy blogging.